Hi everyone, welcome back to Vivid Yarn Crochet. Today, I'm going to show you a simple but essential crochet technique how to increase stitches. Ever wondered how to make your crochet projects grow bigger, faster, and neater? Let's get started. What is an increase? Increasing means adding extra stitches into your row or round to make your work bigger. The most common way to increase is by working 2 stitches into the same stitch from the previous row or round. Here, I have a simple row of single crochet stitches. Let's work 1 single crochet into the first stitch. To increase, we'll work 2 single crochets into 1 stitch. Insert your hook into the next stitch just like you normally would. Yarn over and pull up a loop. Yarn over again and pull through both loops on your hook. That's your first single crochet in this stitch. Now, here's the increase part. Insert your hook into the same stitch again. Yarn over and pull up a loop again. You've just made 2 single crochets in 1 stitch. That's an increase. Now, continue crocheting as usual. Whenever you want to increase, just remember to work 2 stitches into the same stitch. And that's it. Increasing stitches is that simple. Try it out in your next project to add shaping or make your piece wider. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like and subscribe for more crochet tips. Happy crocheting!